Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will show you how to disable prioritized in-app notifications in Telegram. By following these simple steps, you'll regain control over your notification experience. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once the app is open, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu. Tap on it to access the Telegram settings. Step 3. Inside the menu, you'll find various options. Locate and tap on Settings to proceed. Step 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find In-App Notifications. Tap on it to access the in-app notification settings. Step 5. Now, within the in-app notifications settings, you'll find an option called Priority. By default, it is enabled. Tap on the toggle switch beside it to disable the prioritized in-app notifications. Disabling prioritized in-app notifications ensures that all your messages receive equal attention without any preferential treatment. By following these steps, you have successfully disabled prioritized in-app notifications in Telegram, giving you a more consistent and personalized notification experience. We hope you found this full guide on disabling prioritized in-app notifications in Telegram helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more insightful tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your uninterrupted Telegram experience with disabled prioritized in-app notifications. Remember to stay tuned for more valuable content coming your way. Until next time.